and this was in tune to G, exactly bang on. But this one was showing up flat, even though it's an original rod, this first one. So what I did was I just tiny little bit by bit, I felled the rods, because I've not been able to remove these others, because I was just going to buy a full tune set and replace all 4, but because I couldn't get these 3 out, and I was only able to get the one, luckily the one that had snapped out. Anyway, this was presenting itself flat, this one. So basically what I've done is I've felled it in the grips, and I've sawn through it probably about halfway, and then snipped the rest off, and I've done it literally millimetre by millimetre, so I've got these completely in tune to A. Just show you again. See, it's me being clumsy. I'll just show you again. So that's A, that's G, that's F, that's C. Obviously, the sound difference in the clock. I've been mellow and warm, but these are now in tune to the app. So I think it should be okay. Anyway, I'll reinstall this now. Back here into the case, and Junghans have put they've put a wedge underneath, presumably to raise the block up towards the hammers. As you can see, the strike arm looks like it's never ever been bent. Looks nice and straight. Then the chain or the wire comes down. For the 3 to hit the 3 hammers, which is for the 1st, 3rd and 4th, which will be for the notes A, F and C. So when it strikes the hours, it'll play the chord of F, because it's to be C, F and A. But obviously when it plays a Westminster chimes, it obviously plays the sort of descending A, G, F, then C. Anyway, so just basically I need to just bolt the chime block back in, and that should be up and running. And then I'm going to use the clock tuner to, it's running 260 beats per minute at the moment. I feel running it to 180 beats per minute, although the app is picking up the frequency of the clock to say that the movement should be running at that. I feel it might be a little bit fast, so I've set the regulator on the front exactly and precisely, exactly in the middle and between the S slow and fast. And I put the pendulum bob right on its last thread, and it's running at 100 exactly. It's about 159 point whatever. So I thought, well, if it's running at 160 now, and the app is saying it should be running at 180, I'm going to try it to 170 beats per minute and see how we go, because at the moment it's losing about 7.5, 8 minutes a day. So I'll just see how we go to 170 beats. But my main thing to do today really is to sort these chimes out, because they've been driving me nuts. But it's a lovely lovely clock, and I'll show you the front of it in another video. So I'll just put this block back in now, and then let's see how we go. I'll probably post another video. It's just from my own reference, but if anybody else finds this helpful, I hope it does. Okay, see you later.